Here at Rako, we're committed to supporting everybody who comes into contact with our products, from distributors to installers to the customers themselves. We pride ourselves on the fact that all of our products are designed and manufactured by our team in the UK, allowing us to provide instant support when needed and ensuring we always have stock ready. The Rako one-day training course is the perfect gateway to the world of programmable, customizable lighting control, which is becoming ever more popular in residential as well as commercial buildings across the globe. This video will prepare you with all the necessary foundation knowledge you need to get the most out of your day. The day begins with an overview of how Rako's founders created this amazing technology back in 2002, utilizing both wired and wireless technologies to provide a seamless lighting control solution throughout a building. Before this technology existed, we relied on a switch or dimmer control to switch lights on and off within a room. And while the ability to control multiple circuits throughout the building existed, it was very expensive and very exclusive. Rako has succeeded in making this feature-rich lighting control available to everybody, providing solutions for every budget and simplifying the process of multi-channel control with a simple, elegant and easy-to-use light switch. Understanding the environment of a lighting control system is extremely important when specifying it into your projects. The course will focus on the key differences between the older leading edge dimming and the more modern trailing edge dimming circuits. Dimming traditional incandescent lamps was typically done by conducting a reduced percentage of the AC mains available at each half cycle. Put simply, there was less power made available to the load at each phase of the alternating current. Historically, this reduction in power took place during the first half cycle of each wave, and this was called leading edge dimming. However, in recent years, we have seen this reduction taking place at the second half cycle of each wave. This type of dimming is called trailing edge and is very popular thanks to the smoother control, soft start, and silent running when in operation. Trailing edge dimmers have a much lower minimum load than leading edge, making them far more suitable for powering the retrofit LED lamps widely available today. Conversely, a leading edge dimmer required a much higher minimum load to have any effect, making it less useful for low energy LED lighting. A clear understanding of these two circuit types is important when specifying the correct Rako product for the appropriate load. You will also be introduced to alternative analog and digital dimming types. 0 to 10 volt dimming introduces a control cable pulled to the lighting circuit alongside the standard mains cable. When the circuit is initially turned on, the mains cable will supply a fixed voltage to the circuit, and the control cable will provide a variable DC power supply from 0 to 10 volts, depending on the brightness required. This variable DC voltage essentially permits the required amount of mains voltage through the 0 to 10 volt ballast attached to the light fitting. This simple form of lighting control often required an expensive cabling infrastructure, as the control cable used often had to be screened to avoid interference across lengthy runs. An alternative to the analog 0 to 10 volt dimming is digital dimming, such as Digital Serial Interface, commonly known as DSI, or Digitally Addressable Lighting Interface, commonly known as DALI. DSI is a protocol or set of rules which dictates how lighting is controlled throughout a building. A digital signal is used to eliminate the interference commonly found when using analog control. Using this method, makes it possible to switch off the ballast or driver without the need to remove the main supply. A more updated version of DSI is DALI, which again is a digital protocol. However, this time individual devices on the same control wire can be controlled separately. This makes DALI a very cost-efficient method of controlling and monitoring multiple lighting circuits. The correct wiring at first fix is extremely important to ensure your customers are able to utilize the Rako system to its full potential. Lighting control is not exclusive to a light switch on a wall, and throughout the day we will introduce you to different protocols commonly used to send control messages to the Rako system. Integrators of home technology systems rely on these control protocols to enable them to integrate lighting control into touchscreen keypads, security systems, and building management systems. A successful Rako installation relies on both the electrical contractor and the system integrator working together. The electrical contractor is paramount in ensuring the correct installation practices and lighting requirements are met. The system integrator is on hand to provide the necessary programming experience. Together, these two disciplines can create the perfect lighting control solution for any project. Now it's your turn. See if you can answer these questions correctly. If you're not sure, rewind back to the time shown to find the correct answer. Good luck! Great news! You're now prepared for your one-day Rako training course. To keep this new knowledge fresh in your mind, why not review this short video 2 or 3 more times between now and the big day? The more confident you are with the topics we've raised, the more you'll get from your training. If you have any questions or you'd like to discuss any of the content in more depth, please give us a call or visit rakocontrols.com. We'll see you soon.